Going to do a little test video of the Milwaukee Fuel brushless. Was that 3/4 dry?
Half inch.
Half inch dry. This is a 1953 F100 frame. Everything on it's old as the heels. We're gonna see if it'll break that bolt and that bumper. Give her the beans, Matthew. Good heavens. Yes, sir. That's pretty impressive. That's pretty impressive. Yeah, no problem. This is no WD-40, no PB blaster, no nothing. And the nuts is about rusted in two on the bottom, so getting a wrench on it ain't really an option. Good night. Wow. You can see how crusty that thing was. I was spinning a nut. I'm going to get a little tighter. Yeah, crank down them grips, Matt. Them vice grips is from the 60s, I know. There it is. Okay, so right here, I don't know what size socket it is on the bottom, but it looks like somebody tried to weld that way back when. That it. Different size. Yeah, it feels about like a 9/16. $11/16. Might have a 9 on this socket. Let's see. That's good enough. That's good enough for the video, though. Let's look at that. That's the Milwaukee Fuel M18. It's a fine piece of equipment. It will save you having to lug a air hose around with you, because I was really worried about getting them old rascals out of there. Well, so if you need a good impact, check Milwaukee out. Milwaukee, if you're watching, send me one. I'd certainly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We're going round 2. These a little bit bigger bolts, and they are crusty as can be. That one may even be welded. We're gonna set it up with a Milwaukee. And good luck, because this thing here is a mess. We was gonna torch them out, and we got rain. It broke it. Oh my goodness. That one there really don't even have a nut on it. It's broke the head off. Crazy. See if we can get the other two. Now, how much time does that save? My air impact won't do that. Broke your head. This frame's getting taken apart and sandblasted. Look at there. That's something else. Now we're gonna try some more. Some smaller ones. These here's probably as bad as we got. Yeah. It'll check your battery for you, even not even hooked up to anything. That's awesome. And it's 4 settings on it.
Yes.
That's impressive. And they weren't rusted in too. They were just rusted inside. That one was actually welded at some point. Somebody threw some angle iron on this. Wow.